Oh, we're live, boys. Yep. Hey guys, this is the first stream. I was sick for the past couple days, so that was not ideal, so I did not get to start straight away. But yeah. So this is the first stream, so it's pretty late where I am. It's around like 2:40 a.m. I just kind of woke up from my sickness and stuff, but this is kind of the whole stream layout. I don't know if you guys can see. Just got everything set up. So I just want to go over a couple things that I did want to do today. So let's just go over everything. So I'm just gonna like kind of highlight in like a document. Yeah. So normally how I plan to like start my days are like LeetCode. So we would probably start off with some LeetCode. LeetCode blind 75 is probably ideal too. Uh, so I'd kind of show you like I've done most of them to be honest, just out of practice. But let's see. Am I even logged in right now? I'm not logged in. Yeah. So the blind 75, I've done most of arrays and hashing and stuff, just the two pointers and everything. So basically, in the next 100 days, my plan is that we get through everything on this to prepare for interviews, obviously. And another big thing is like resume building. A lot of us, like at least me, like initially I struggled a lot with like resume and stuff. Just like getting through the scanners, like that's why you get the automatic rejections. They don't even look at half the resumes, which is kind of messed up. But yeah, it's kind of sad. I'm not gonna lie. They don't even look at your resumes. Wait, is someone in chat? I cannot see right now. How do I check the chat? It says chat rate 1. I just can't see the chat. Maybe I watch my own live stream. There's someone in chat I cannot see right now. Okay, never mind. I guess I'm just looking at myself right now. Yeah, no one's in chat, so I guess I'm all alone right now. Or one's watching. I guess I'm the only one watching. But yeah, anyways, resume building, and then I want to focus on things like where and how to apply. That's a big thing for me, and just also building full stack projects. So most of the time after I'm done LeetCode, I'd probably build like my full stack projects or start a new one and just kind of like make sure to finish like two or something while doing the streaming stuff. So hopefully, yeah, like maybe get in like two projects, add some like AI ML stuff in there because that's pretty big nowadays, right? Like the machine learning stuff. So there's definitely things you could do like stock predictors and like different projects that would just help out, really. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna do maybe a bit of LeetCode right now with you guys. Just you guys can kind of see how I work, my thought process. Although it is pretty late, it's like 2:49 a.m. for me. I don't think you guys can see the subscriber goal is covering everything, but I also wanted to check why can I not see my chat? Um, file. Yeah, I can't see my chat. YouTube live. Oh, chat right here. Yeah, there's nothing in chat right now, but hopefully eventually we do get a chat. Yeah, view docs chat. Okay, I'll probably keep this like separate. Maybe say a hey guys in there. Does this work? Yeah, hey guys. Sending. Okay, it worked. Yeah, hey guys. Nice. But yeah. We'll close it for now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a couple questions right now of just LeetCode and stuff, and then see where I get at. I, linked list maybe. Let's do this an easy one. Reverse linked list. Hopefully, I remember my linked lists. So normally I use an iPad for this stuff, but I'm gonna probably show you guys my whiteboard. Do they have online whiteboards? Digital collaborative whiteboard. Who makes you pay for a whiteboard? This world is literally just becoming money based. Everything. Okay, yeah, this works. 24 hours left. I don't think I need to save this. How do you erase? I guess you just can't erase. How do you erase? Yeah, this kind of okay. I guess back. Okay. So I apparently you don't even get an eraser. You have to pay for that. So that's interesting. Let me just kind of make this. My thumbnail for today. Okay. I'm so accustomed to like just going on my iPad for this stuff, but we ball. Okay, given the beginning of a singly linked list head, reverse the list and return the new beginning of the list. Okay. Head 0, 1, 2, 3 output. So we're just reversing the linked list. Okay, got it. So, I mean, how would I approach this? So, you guys know how there's like a value for each node, and like linked lists are kind of like, does this even show? Linked list, bruh. Oh, there's the eraser. I'm just dumb. Linked lists are kind of like nodes like this. Sorry, I'm not used to like using a mouse for drawing at all. Okay, let's say in this case it's a 0, and we go, and then this is kind of the link, and then 1 and 2, etc. Okay, you guys kind of get it, right? I mean, there's no one in chat right now, but whenever they watch it later, right? So that's kind of how linked lists work, right? You keep going. Each like it goes like left to right, and then this is the link. Oh no, I messed it up. This is the link right here, and then here. Maybe make this a bit neater. I think it looks a bit dirty right now. 1. Yeah, so 0, 1, so on. So what we want to do is we want to switch these links so it goes the other way, basically, right? So it'll go like 1. That was a terrible circle. 0, and yeah. So we just want to reverse the link. Oh my god, I accidentally pressed the back button. Well, yeah, you guys get the, oh, it's back. Nice, awesome. Yeah, kind of like that, like this. Dude, I really gotta stop trying with the extraness. There you go. So we're just reversing this link, right? These links right here. We just want to reverse them. So how I would do that, just looking at everything. So what we're given in the parameters, so these are the parameters we're given. I'm doing this in Python, by the way, guys. So we're getting a head. So the head of the linked list would just be like, it would start at 0. It's just the whole linked list, really. Like that's what I'd call the head. And then I haven't done linked lists in a while. It's been a couple months, but this is an easy problem. Let's see the acceptance rate on this. Does it show? Apparently not. No worries. It could actually. Wait, maybe I zoom in or something. No, it doesn't. Damn. That's crazy. But yeah, let me just try this. So I don't know the acceptance rate, but it is an easy problem, so it shouldn't take me too long. But 0, 1, 2, 3. So what I'm thinking right now is like we start at head. Head would kind of be the head.val is 0. So while we do have the assistance of GPT if we do get lost, but I think I can do this. While head dot next. Yeah, that should be good. While head dot next. Wait, where the fuck did that go? While head dot next. While head dot next. And then we would just head dot next equals 10. And then I'm thinking, okay, if we say head dot next is temp, so we store that in a temporary value, then for now we do head dot next equals head something in this, and then head equals temp. Huh. Okay. So for now we did head dot next. No, wait, no, I can't do it like this. That makes no sense. Head dot next equal. No, it's something like this for sure. It's 100% something like this. I just gotta think about it. Okay, head dot next equals temp. No, this. Let's just keep it at this for now. Or maybe I do head equals temp. Head equals temp. Let's say that. And then we do head dot next. No, that doesn't make sense. Head dot next equals. So for now, head dot next. Head. No, what the fuck am I doing? Temp equals. It's so late at night. I'm just lost. Okay, temp equals head. Head dot next. No. Head dot next. Head equals head dot next. Yeah. No, but then I lose the value of that. Uh-huh. 0, 1, 2, 3. Head next. Well, head done next. Okay, let's just visualize this really quickly. This is the real struggle of LeetCode. This is an easy problem too, so we go like this, and then it's, so what we just did is temp equals head, so we got the value of 0, and then we said the new head, so the new beginning is 1. That's all we've done so far. So what we want to do now is we want to say that head dot next equals temp. So that means that we have now made this the link. And now we want to say that so how do we go to the next node? Is it real? So we've done that. Now we have to go to the next, the third node, and do the same thing. So we are okay. So that's all I've done. Okay, I've reversed the first link, but you also have to look at it in the sense that, like, okay, let me just erase this from our space. If we do 1 and then 0, that's the link we've made. For now, 0 we didn't say is connected to anything, because we did make head.next equal temp, but 0 is not connected to anything, and we don't want it to be for now either. But this also kind of has a connection to another node, which is in our case 2. But we want, how do we get to the 2? That this looks really bad right now for me. Head.next temp. So while head.next temp equals head equals head.next, which we already had. And head.next equals temp, which is right. Maybe I go to the end of the linked list and then go from there to there. Possibly. Should I do that though? We don't have a previous is what the issue is. Well, even in that case, you couldn't really, because there's no previous value. So this is somewhat along the lines of correct so far, I'm assuming, although I'm not fully sure. I'm just thinking, what do I just do this? Head equals now head dot temp dot next. Head equals, I don't know, would it go like this? But there's no link to the next one. So either I fix that link, because like right now what we have is this, right? If I can visualize it somehow, we have 1, 0. This 0 does not have anything here, like it's basically null. So there's nothing there. And we have this also still connected to the 2 and then the 3. But what I want to do is I want to get wait, well, what if we make a second temporary value with head dot next dot next, and then from there, I don't know if this would work for the whole thing though, but I would just assume that okay, we've done that, we've reversed the link. Now for the last thing, we just make head temp2. And then in that, for that scenario, what would happen? Let's just kind of draw it out really quick. It's really good to draw out with LeetCode, by the way. That's my advice with this stuff. You should always draw out with LeetCode, but okay. So let's visualize it. We'll use 0, 1, 2, 3 and see what happens here. So with 0, we go like 0. What's the time? 3:05. Okay, I guess we're just gonna do this question for today because I do have to sleep in like 10-20 minutes. So let's just try to finish off this question. So 0, and then okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's just draw everything out. 1. I'd draw the circles, but I'm too lazy. Let's just get rid of the circle. Okay, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Temp2 equals to 2. Okay. Temp equals to 0. For now, we said that the head is now head.next, which would mean that we now have 1 in the beginning. And head.next equals 0. Now we have reached the 2 because we set head equals. So now we're at 2. So for 2, we did temp2 equals head.next, and next is null. Okay. So that's nothing. Temp2 is nothing. Temp equals head. Okay. Temp equals head. Temp is 2. Head equals head.next. So that's 3. 3. Okay. So we switched these two. So we do get in this scenario 3 to 2. But what the fuck is this? It looks so bad. 3 to 2. But now the issue is this is not connected. Like, we don't have that link that goes here, which is not ideal. So how do I get that link is my new issue. So why would it be the next iteration how'd that work? My assumption would be that okay, we somewhat have a basis here. So we do have our 1 and 0. So we did do this, that's for sure. And then we also ended up doing 3, 2. Now all we have to do is get this link right here. And we have our linked list reversed. Only issue is this is not connecting in the current code. So I guess I would do temp2.next. This would be the smartest thing to do, I think. Okay, before I even set anything to anything else, temp2.next equals what we just said. Oh, our head, yeah, temp. Now we connect it. But what are we returning? Because I set head as temp2. I mean, like, for now, like, I know if I ran this, all that would happen is I'd return null. That's my assumption here. Run. Okay, so I'm assuming I just never get to head.next. So normally when you're in this situation, what I tend to do is don't tell Chat, I'd go on ChatGPT here, but I wouldn't tell ChatGPT to give me any answers. So, what I would say is, first return head. All I'd say is that, hey GPT, can you tell me what's wrong with this code? Do not give me any answers or correct code. Just tell me what's going on. Now GPT would just, the code you provided is intended to header pointer. The code seems to manipulate the head and its next point in a way that can lead to incorrect linking, which is what we kind of already presumed was happening. Right? Yeah. That's true as well, yeah. But it's exceeding the time limit here, and then case 2. Okay, wait, what's happening? I don't know why that. Oh, cause yeah. Okay, well, that's just an edge case, so if not head return, I think that fixes this case. Yeah, we should get a pass. What? If I guess then I don't know why. No way that test case doesn't pass, because it doesn't even go through the while loop. How do you get an infinite? What? I don't even know. So apparently I just did it fully wrong, which is fair. So basically everything. So it's basically saying I did it wrong completely. Handling of head and head.next reassignments. Right. I'm not gonna quit, that's for sure. We will figure out what to do. I really am thinking. I'm genuinely just confused right now. I don't even know. Maybe I just need to think on my own right now for a bit. This is an easy problem too, so you know we're on a journey now, because I'm not getting this for some reason. Maybe instead of like doing the temp2 stuff, let's just take a whole different approach. Maybe we do a previous and current pointer, so we're short on time right now, but let's just try here. Maybe if I do like this as previous, instead of I don't think I can manipulate the head pointer actually. So instead maybe do like a previous and current, and then for now the previous is none, and then the current is head. Yeah, I can't manipulate the actual head. Maybe if I try my approach again, it might work. Actually, let's try what I originally had. But instead of doing head.next, we set car as head, and then we do cur. This might fix some stuff, hopefully. Maybe it doesn't do anything, honestly, but worth a try. Well, it didn't do anything, but it's okay. Maybe instead we try while current previous. For the first iteration, I guess it'd be none. So for now, none. Cur equals cur dot next. Oh no, we would do previous equals cur equals cur dot next. Previous equals cur equals cur dot next. So this is the reassignment. So is there something we do before this? I think that's like what I would do at the end. That's my guess. But is that what I do in the beginning? I think I'm on the right track. This is taking way too long. Okay. Let's try this. Temp equals cur dot next. We temp you. I feel like I'd perform way better on more sleep, but I'm just so lost and tired right now. Temp equals cur dot next. Cur dot next equals. Okay. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Cur dot next equals to the previous value. That makes a lot of sense, yeah, because then we do the 0 would be pointing to none. Yeah, makes sense. And we reassign previous to cur? Yeah, no, previous would be what we have current, and then cur would be cur dot next. And then you would go to, well, yeah, Let's try that. Actually, I think. Okay, wait. No, it worked. I mean, one of them is right. Other one is my output 0. Right. Oh, because the head is... Okay, yeah, no. Fair. Is it because I'm returning head? Maybe. I don't think I should return cur, though. Or is it? Would it not? Yeah, it just end up being previous. Return previous. Submit. Never mind. I did not do it right. Okay, so for some reason, even my previous is equal to 0. That means that either I'm not going to the next value correctly, or why didn't I just... Oh my god. Okay, got it. Temp. Yeah, no, that's why. That's 100% why. Yeah, got it. Okay, yeah. No, that was a long ride. So basically, initially I was doing cur.next, but we set cur.next to previous. I had a temporary value for cur.next, and that's why it was messing me up. But we got there at the end. I'm sorry for this stream, guys. I'm just really tired. It's really late right now. I know I could probably perform better, but it is technically day 1, but I said day 2. But no, that was not that bad. I think for anyone watching, I hope that was educational. But the cur.next, temporary previous, we used 3 variables. But yeah, we got there at the end. It wasn't that bad, but I guess my approach was pretty stupid. But I want to see what GPT did say about my approach. How would you fix this? My initial approach, because this was obviously like what we got to in the end. Like maybe this is how you're supposed to do it, but I want to see if my thinking pattern was in the right spot. Right, so they did this as well, GPT. So I think this is like the main solution for this, where you set the next value in a temporary variable. I think that I was initially on that track, but I was just kind of lost with the whole like double link thing that was kind of going on. But I think with this, the temp and then the cur.next, and then cur.next set to previous. So you set, wait, cur.next. Wait, what? I'm getting lost on my own solution. Temp is cur.next, which in our case is 1. 1 is equal to now. Okay. Yeah, got it. Okay, so for now, 0 is pointing to null instead. Yeah, got it. I'm so lost on my own solution. Okay, cur.next is now pointing to null. So 0 is now not pointing to 1, it's pointing to null. And then previous is now equal to 0. And then 1. Oh! Yes, why am I having a... I'm way too tired for this. But yes, this is the correct solution. I don't know why I'm getting lost in my own solution. But yeah, no, cur equals cur.temp, and then that fixes the double links problem because 1 is pointing to 2, and then it's the same thing. And then once you get to null, you can't do it. So the end of any link, so in this case, the end of any linked list is like you go 0, 1, 2, and then 3. And then after 3, it would be null. So that's how you break out of this while loop, right? Because you reach null. Because after, when you get to the 3rd node, right, your next one is your previous. So you readjust this link to go this way. And then you set 3 as your new previous. and then cur equals temp, which would become null in this situation because 3.next is null, and then you would break out of this while loop. Sorry guys, this was honestly a pretty terrible stream maybe, but I hope you guys kind of see the struggles of LeetCode. Even this is a pretty easy problem. Let's see the actual like what's the acceptance rate on this? It's probably high, honestly. Maybe I'm just the issue, but one of the first times I've done this problem. So it's a 76.9%, so not great on my end, but we did get there in the end. But some struggles you can see, kind of a mess, but hopefully when I'm caught up on my sleep I'll perform a lot better. But yeah guys, it was a fun stream. Let me check chat if anyone showed up or anything like that, although I don't think anyone did. We'll check anyways. This was a lonely stream, but no, I do not see anyone right now. Maybe it shows on my actual YouTube. I don't know how that works. Yeah, it shows on live or anything like that, although I don't think anyone did. We'll check anyways. This was a lonely stream, but no, I do not see anyone right now. Maybe it shows on my actual YouTube. I don't know how that works. Yeah, it shows on live. Alright. Damn, like low-key is delayed. Like when I'm watching the stream on my thing, like I'm in real time, it's like decently delayed, but no. But anyways guys, that was really fun. I had a good time. I spent about 42 minutes. It'll be a lot longer tomorrow, but I should probably catch up on some sleep and we'll get straight on the stream for tomorrow, guys. Peace out. First stream done. Yep. So how do I stop this? Exit? Yeah, okay. Figured it out. Yeah, this is my first time streaming ever, so maybe this wasn't the best quality, but we'll get there. But yeah, anyways guys, although no one is watching, I had a good time, and yeah.